Welcome. This is Study Guide 3 for the RTS Atlanta Hebrew course, fall 2017. Here we have the paradigms. We're looking at the call perfect and the call imperfect. These are screenshots from Bibleworks. We will write these out for our quiz on Thursday night. So we'll just say these together. Katal, katala, katalta, katalt, katalti, katalu, kataltim, kataltim, katalnu. Couple of things to notice. Accent mark here, so this is a vocal shva. Katala, so make sure you get that right. Katal, katala, katalta. Notice the accent there. Katalt, katalti, katalu. There's your accent mark, so this is a vocal shva. Kataltim, kataltin, katalnu. This is a call perfect. Call imperfect. Yiktol, tiktol, tiktol, tiktali, ektol. Yiktalu, tiktolna. Notice the accent. Tiktalu, tiktolna. These two forms are exactly the same. Help you remember it. Niktol. So one more time. Yiktol, tiktol, tiktol, tiktali, ektol. Yiktalu, tiktolna, tiktalu, tiktolna, niktol. So you'll need to be able to write both of these conjugations out for the quiz. Say them. If you have Bibleworks, Bibleworks has a great audio file. Use that, but get these down. Foundation point for us. In terms of reviewing, there are open syllables and closed syllables. Important rule here, closed, unaccented syllables must have a short vowel. Unless marked, the accent falls on the last syllable. This is my chart, so this is what will appear on the test. Katal, katala, katalta, katalt, katalti, katlu, katal. Notice that's a common form, so often we'll just omit this one. Katlu, kataltim, kataltin, katalnu. Yiktol, tiktol, tiktol, tiktali, ektol. Yiktalu, tiktolna, tiktalu, tiktolna, niktol. So these are your imperfect translations. These are your perfect. Notice that the pronouns, in many cases, are related to the ending. So my professor had the statement, who is he, and he is she, and me is who, and dog is fish. You can remember it. Who, he, ata. Notice the doubling dagesh. At. And you might use this to help you remember that. Ani, anoki. Both forms appear. Chema, notice the accent, chema or chaim, chena or chain. So this is masculine, this is feminine. Atem, notice how similar that is to tem. Aten, ten. Anachnu, anachnu. So these are your pronouns. You don't have to have these with the verbs, but when they appear separately, this is how they'll appear. So you want to get this chart down, be able to write this. Remember, dagesh forte, the gutturals and reish generally reject that. Your begad kafats, the fuller sounding without the dot makes it crisper. We're following the modern pronunciation, but know these because it'll be important to know, is this a doubling dagesh or is it a big gad fat dagesh? This is the chart from Furtado, beautiful chart. Horse, horses, female horse, female horses, singular and plural. So be able to do that. Now, when we come to reading, what you want to do with the reading is, if you go to the website, biblicaltheologytoday.com, there I've put the MP3 files for us. And so if you scroll down to these specialty pages, this is the page with all the readings. And sorry, I did the wrong one there. With all the chapters. So if you go here, it will read. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Bibleworks on and then have it read and follow, and then we'll read, and we'll do the same thing with Logos. So we just have Bibleworks set up here. We'll come back and so here we are.
Bereshit bara Elohim et hashamayim ve'et haaretz, ve'haaretz hayeta tohu vavohu, ve'choshech al penei tehom, ve'ruach Elohim merachefet al penei hamayim. Vayomer Elohim yehi or, vayhi or. Vayar Elohim et haor kitov, vayavdel Elohim ben haor uven hachoshech. Vayikra Elohim laor yom, velachoshech kar alayla, vayhi erev vayhi boker, yom ehad. Vayomer Elohim.
So we'll stop there. If we go back to Bibleworks, we'll just read it on our own right now, trying to mimic as closely as we can to his perfect reading. Bereshit bara Elohim et hashamayim ve'et haaretz, v'haaretz hayta tohu vabohu, ve'choshech al penei tehom, ve'ruach. Notice that thought there. Ve'ruach Elohim merachefet al penei hamayim. Vayomer Elohim yehi or, vayehi or. Vayar Elohim et haor kitov, vayavdel Elohim vein haor uvein hachoshek. Vayikra Elohim laor yom ve'lachoshek kara laila, vayhi erev vayhi boker yom ehad. So you can see I have the auto info window turned on. I have the word tips constantly on. You hover over, it will parse for you. So great way. You can set up the MP3 files within Bibleworks and actually have it read to you automatically. I haven't done that with my copy here, but that's a fantastic way to help your reading. Now, if you have Logos, I set up my reading station like this. This is the analytical key by Owen, and I have these linked together. So link set C, it'll scroll together. And notice as I'm hovering over the word, it will parse. So if we read it from here, Bereshit bara Elohim et hashamayim ve'et haaretz. Notice this is the critical edition, so it has the critical apparatus there. And if you hover over, you can hover over and it will tell you exactly what the word means. So if I were using this to read, I would scroll down. Ve'haaretz hayta tohu vabohu ve'choshek al penei tehom, Ve'ruach Elohim merachefeth al pnei hamayim. See, it's parsing this for you here, a fantastic tool. Vayomer Elohim yehi or vayehi or. Vayar Elohim et haor kito vayavdel Elohim bein haor uvein hahoshek. Vayikra Elohim laor yom ve'lahoshek kara layla vayhi erev vayhi boker yom echad. You do have within Logos, under the guides, under the exegetical guide, if you pull that up for the verse, it will give you the pronunciation of the lemmas. Let's see, did I pull up the wrong one? I think we need the exegetical guide. I'm going to float this so we can see it. So you can do this.
Elohim. Elohim.
On the roots. But it's not quite as helpful as the MP3 where you have someone actually reading, but you do have the highlighted version. Fantastic tool. So that's what we're going to be doing on Thursday. I wish you well. We'll study together, and I'll see you on Thursday evening.